Hello, my lovely viewers. This is your number one RN Glory right here, and it's all about your United States registered nurse journey, right? Alright, there is some good news I want to share with you today. So, basically, you want to make your dream come true by coming to America and practice as a United States registered nurse. I have been doing videos on board of nursing and the whole process, how to help you reach your dreams of getting to the United States, right? Well, after you have gone through all this board registration, CES, Pearson View approves you, you have your ATT, what you need to do is take the NCLEX, right? Yeah. One of the challenges for we, the internationally trained nurses, was the fact that we had only one center in the whole of Africa, which was in South Africa. And well, a time came people have to go all the way to India, Philippines, and all that, just so they will be able to write the NCLEX. The good news is now there is an NCLEX center right here in West Africa, and it is located in Kenya, Nairobi. Well, I hope this is good news, right? We heard a center was coming, and there were so many noises over here and there, saying that is it visible, is it working? But we had somewhere last year that it was going to be ready by early January. We never heard anything about it. The good news is yes, it's now opened. So if you have gone through all of it and then you are choosing a center, you don't have to go that far anymore. Just choose Kenya, Nairobi, and then we have the address right here. On your screen, you can just use that to book your exams. I wish you all the best in this journey. Don't forget, subscribe to RN Glory on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok, K&A_selected. And if you need anybody, you need somebody to talk to on this journey, on some of the decisions to make, you can DM me and talk to me. I'm always here for you. Thank you, and watch my next video on the board of nursing. Bye.